Today I am talking about something special about this banking stocks. These stocks trade at this moment $63. Okay, these stocks give today's return approximately 1%, and here you can see how much return these stocks give in the last few days. And last 1 month these stocks give approximately 7% return. In the last 6 months these stocks give 18% gain, and these stocks give 14% gain year to date, and 1 year these stocks gain approximately 38%. Here you can see. Hey, I am not telling you to buy or sell these stocks. I just break down the numbers so you can decide smarter. In the last 5 years, these stocks give only 53%. That means poor return. Here are shocking parts. How much return these stocks give in maximum return? Here you can see these stocks give 900%. Here you can see how much return these stocks give to investor. From bottom to top, these stocks give approximately 1600% return. Okay, so what do you think about these stocks? Please comment below, and always do your own research before investing. Follow for more US stocks breakdown.